You want to learn affiliate marketing? Well, here's 7 best affiliate marketing course online, free, plus paid. First course, the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Course for Beginners by Udemy. This is a complete course for beginners that provides you with the best easy and quick way of learning. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction, what to expect, affiliate marketing basics, niche research, traffic generation strategies, keyword research, content creation, website building, homepage SEO, link building. Conclusion. You will learn the basics of affiliate marketing. You will be able to use keywords. You will learn to use different strategies to generate traffic to your affiliate offers. You will learn to create websites. You will learn to develop affiliate marketing from scratch. This course is for anyone who wants to learn affiliate marketing, especially those who want to become their own boss. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, Newbie to Advanced Bootcamp by Udemy. This course provides training which can transform you from a beginner to a master of affiliate marketing. Topics covered in this course are: Getting started, important information, create Wix affiliate website, construct your website, Wix hacks, finished product examples, additional features, Etsy affiliate marketing, finding product, helpful tools and tips, Skillshare affiliate program, social media marketing, bonus section. You will start as a beginner and end up becoming an expert. You will learn to create your own website using Wix. You will learn social media affiliate marketing. You will learn from basics to advanced level all under one course. You will be able to increase your sales. This course is for everyone, particularly those who desire to learn social marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, A to Z Affiliate Marketing Success with a Super Affiliate by Udemy. This course provides you with the proven methods to become a successful affiliate marketer. Topics covered in this course: Basics, affiliate business tools, affiliate marketing with YouTube, Tripwire affiliate marketing, your affiliate campaign, traffic generation, bring ads. The best thing is that this course provides you step-by-step procedure to successful affiliate marketing. You will learn multiple proven strategies. You can build an automated affiliate business that doesn't need your constant attention. You will negotiate with consumers in a better way. You will learn to do future launches and promotions. This course is for everyone who is interested in learning the skill of affiliate marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners Simple Steps to Success by Udemy. This course provides an easy training course for newbies. Topics covered in this course: 1. Introduction, 2. Niche selection, 3. Domaining, 4. Google Magnet website structure, 5. Your website, 6. Email marketing, 7. Quiz funnel setup, 8. Backlinking, 9. Your strategy. The best part about this course is that you will learn to develop your own business. You will learn to transform website visitors to commission generators. You will learn to make more sales. You will learn to gain a stream of subscribers. You will learn a skill to attract more and more customers. This course is for beginners who are interested in boosting their online business. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Affiliate Marketing Trading for Beginners and Pros by Udemy. This is a comprehensive course that guides you in achieving your goals in the field of affiliate marketing. Topics covered in this course are: Affiliate Marketing 101, Affiliate Marketing 202, Platforms and Strategies, Launch and Grow Your Business, Final Thoughts and Next Steps. You will learn the procedure to get started in affiliate marketing. You will gain information about the pros and cons of being an affiliate marketer. You will learn about various types of platforms. You will learn a lot of affiliate marketing techniques. You will learn to explore social media for affiliate marketing. This course is for beginners as well as experienced affiliate marketers. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Introduction to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners by SkillUp, free course. This course provides a simple, easy and quick way of learning affiliate marketing. This is basically a beginner-level course and provides a certificate after the completion of the course. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction, Basics, Strategies, Tools, Techniques. The best part is that you can gain good quality content for free. You will learn to use different strategies. You will learn to implement the best techniques. You will learn the basic to advanced key terminology. You will learn to develop your marketing career. This course is for anyone who has a passion for learning marketing, especially affiliate marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about digital marketing, click on the I button. Seventh course, How to Start Affiliate Marketing by YouTube, free course. This course provides you an entire playlist where you can learn affiliate marketing step by step. Topics covered in this courses are Overview, M for Beginners, M on Twitter, M on Quora, Impact of Affiliate Marketing, Creating Websites, Amazon Affiliate Account, and Pinterest, How to Make a Logo for Free. The best thing is that you will get good quality content for free. You will learn about various affiliate marketing tactics. You will learn to build the foundation of your marketing career. You will learn to resolve problems faced. You will get a chance to learn affiliate marketing from basics to advanced level. This course is for everyone, especially for those students who can afford to purchase a course. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.